Hello students, myself Sagar Choksi from LJ Institutes of Engineering and Technology. So in previous session we have started job evaluation and wage plan. Okay, and we have already completed different types of job evaluation methods and merit rating concept. We have also completed difference between job evaluation and merit rating. Okay, so in today's session we are going to discuss about wage and wage incentive plan. First of all, what do you understand by wage and different types of wages? Number two, and second, an important question, that is factor determining wage structure. And third one is wage incentive plan. So in today's session we are going to discuss about wages concept and different types of wage incentive plan. So let's start the lecture number 20. So now the question is, what do you understand by wage? Okay, so it is very clear that a remuneration that given by the worker for their task. So now the basic definition, here I have attached the basic definition. So the payment made by the employer, for the effort put by the worker. Okay, so now the question is how to calculate wage. Okay, so answer is very clear. You have given a standard time, you have also given operation timing, or you can take measure timing or actual timing. So now compare both of the time, standard time and actual time. After completion of that comparison, you can calculate the wage structure for that particular worker. So this is very important. So now second and important one is goal. Okay, what is the goal of wages? So it determines the standard of living. First of all, it determines the standard of living, and it should represent a fair return for the effort put by the worker. Okay, so this is the goal of wages. So now the important step is function. What is the function of wages? Okay, so it helps the organization in deciding the wage payment for the worker. It is very important because it generally increase your productivity, it generally increase your profit level. Okay, so this is wages. Okay, so now fourth and important task is objective, to increase the motivation level of your worker and work hard and better. Okay, so this is the objective of wages. Ultimately that related to worker, that related to organization, and that related to your productivity. So these are the importance of wages. So move forward to next step, that is the next question, that is factor that determining the wage structure. Which are the factors that determine the wage structure? Okay, how to calculate wage structure, how to develop wage structure. So there are four different levels to calculate the wage structure. First and important, that is demand and supply. Demand and supply position in particular labor market. Number two, an important one is regularity and irregularity of worker, that ultimately increase your productivity. Third one, an important one, that is productivity of employer, or sorry, productivity of employee. Okay, third and important one is productivity of employee. Productivity is equal to output by input. Okay, so this is called productivity. Fourth one, that is prospect of promotions. So these are the four levels to determine the wage structure. These are the four levels to calculate the wage structure. So these are the four different wage structure, or you can take wage structure parameter, so that you can develop your wage structure based on demand, supply, position in labor market. Number two, that is regularity and irregularity of the worker. Third one, that is productivity of employee, and fourth one, that is prospect of promotion. These are the four common factors that determining the wage structure. Okay, so move forward to next slide. Next question is types of wages. Okay, so now here I have attached, there are 4 different types of wages. First, an important wage, that is nominal wage. Okay, that is nominal wage. Number 2, that is real wages. Third, an important one, that is fair wages. And fourth one, that is living wage. That depend on worker efficiency. Based on that worker efficiency, you can calculate different types of wages. Okay, so it is very important. There are mainly 4 different types of wages: nominal wage, real wage, fair wage, and living wage. Okay, so move forward to next topic. Next, an important question, that is wage incentive. So now the question is, what is wage and what is wage incentive? What is the difference between wage and wage incentive plan? Okay, so now the answer is very clear. What is wage incentive? So some extra bonus, or you can take some extra remuneration, some extra bonus that given by the worker for that efficiency. Okay, efficiency of worker. Okay, so wage incentive that related to efficiency of worker. So here I have attached one definition so that you can directly understand the difference between wages and wage incentive. So here I have attached one definition. Wage incentive is nothing but a reward which is given for the worker for their efficiency. So now what is the objectives of wage incentive? So it is very clear that motivate and encourage a worker. Third, and worker get a guarantee minimum wage. Worker get a guarantee minimum wage plus some extra bonus for their efficiency. Okay, for workers efficiency. So extra bonus, some extra bonus that given by the worker, this is called wage incentive plan. Okay, or you can take wage incentive. Fourth one, an important goal is scheme should be based on time study data. So what do you understand by time study data? So time study that related to standard time and that related to actual time. Based on the comparison, you can develop the wage structure. Okay, now fifth one, an important one is a worker should get enough incentive for the contribution. So this is called wage incentive. Wage incentive is nothing but to get some extra bonus based on workers' efficiency. So this is called wage incentive. So move forward to next topic, that is wage incentive plan. So here I have attached 4 different types of wage incentive plan, and it is very common that followed by each and every industry. So first one, that is differential piece rate system. So now the question is, what do you understand by differential piece rate system? So in this particular system we will see first an important one, that is Taylor's piece rate system, and number 2, that is Merrick's piece rate system. Okay, so this is very important. Number 2, that is premium bonus plan. Third one is profit sharing scheme, and fourth and important task is group incentive plan. So in wage incentive plan we will see 4 different kind of incentive plan. Okay, wage incentive is nothing but to get some extra bonus, to get some extra remuneration that related to workers efficiency, workers standard. Okay, so this is called wage incentive plan. Okay, so it is very important. So thank you so much. In this session we have completed basic definition of wage incentive plan, and the difference between wage and wage incentive plan. So in next session we will discuss about different types of wage incentive plans. Okay, Taylor's differential piece rate system, Merrick's differential piece rate system, and different incentive plan. Okay, so thank you very much.